Hey everyone, we're recreating Bama Grill Masters cheese stuffed bacon wrapped bratwurst, but we're using Italian sausages instead and some cheddar cheese. But these really came out great. Check out the rest of the video, guys. You're gonna love it. Now I'm going to put in our Screamin Onions here. So there's sliced New York State onions that we slow cook in sauce. That we make from whole ingredients, just peppers, onions, garlic, and vinegar. I mean, look at that. The onions are like cooked down and sweet and caramelized. So we're just going to add them to the peppers and add another huge dimension of flavor. It's really great because it's fast and easy, you know? You don't have to put much to add a lot of flavor. But, you know, just like caramelized onions, they sweeten up as you cook them. And we've already done that for you. So, like, it's going to mix with the sausage and peppers. And it's going to be really delicious, so enjoy. Good. Oh, it's great. Where's that cheese? Somewhere.